The tri-state area coming together for the next step in the fight in the coronavirus pandemic. Governor Cuomo announcing that New York will launch a testing and tracing program in conjunction with New Jersey and Connecticut. CBS News' John Diaz is live outside Bellevue Hospital in Kips Bay. Live this morning. John.
Yeah, good morning to you, Chris. And we are told that former Mayor Michael Bloomberg will actually be taking over the statewide efforts here in New York. Local leaders, though, they are saying that testing, tracing, and of course isolating, though, too. Those three things are still going to continue to be key in helping control and also stopping the spread of the coronavirus, and also take some stress off of hard-hit hospitals like Bellevue.
I tested first negative, and then I tested again positive, and then I tested again negative.
Christine Lavin went through repeated tests after being exposed at school in Pelham, where she teaches.
I'm in quarantine. I can't be near anybody because I don't know if I'm contagious or not. Nobody asked me about tracing while I was tested, and I think it's a very important question to ask.
But now tracing or finding people who have been potentially exposed to the virus will be, along with testing, at the forefront of a state and city effort.
We have to put together a tracing army. This is going to be a massive undertaking. Good news is Mayor Michael Bloomberg has volunteered to help us develop and implement the tracing program.
Towns like Westport, Connecticut are already doing high-tech sleuthing with a test drone program just getting off the ground. They are armed with cameras that provide data, including social distancing, heart rate, and fever detection. But tracing contacts is nothing new.
The United States has a long history of contact tracing.
David Harvey, the executive director of the National Coalition of STD Directors, telling CBS 2's Dick Brennan the U.S. has a tracing infrastructure born out of past diseases.
There's contact tracing for TB, HIV, and anytime you have a foodborne illness outbreak, contact tracers were involved, as they were involved with Zika and Ebola.
Mayor Bill de Blasio says the city will be aggressive,
hunting down each and every case.
The experts say tracing works, but this is a future strategy for when the numbers start to come down.
We're weeks away from really being able to move into this phase of containment and very active contact tracing. But that means, though, we have to act today to get that system, to get those people in place.
And now that executive director went on to say that we do not have to, reinvent the wheel per se when it comes to these tracing strategies, that many different local health departments across the tri-state area already have tracing strategies in place. However, though, it will require thousands of more people in order to execute them. We are live this morning in Kips Bay. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
Okay, John, thank you.